What's up, guys? Are you looking for a heavy-duty, USA-built aluminum roof for your Honda Talon 1000 X4? Well, SuperATV has you covered, and today we're going to show you how to get one installed. So let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to do is remove your factory roof if your machine's equipped with one. Once you've done that, you're going to get in the box. You're going to go ahead and remove your foam gasket. So what we're going to do is just peel the backing off of the foam here, and then we're going to apply it just like so. So next we're going to grab our brackets. We're going to have our front bracket with our M8 screw, our middle bracket with our M8 screw, and our rear bracket with our M8 screw, and they need to be installed and oriented just like so. When installing your hardware, be sure to use the short screws on the holes that line up with the brackets. So in your hardware kit, you're going to see that you have a couple different size M8 screws. You're going to have the longer screw here, and then you're going to have the shorter ones. The three brackets down the center of the cage that are going to be bolting onto the roof, you're going to use the shorter screws. Everything else will use the longer ones. So we're going to go ahead and get all three of our short ones installed, and we're going to show you how to get your long ones installed. So next you're going to go ahead and lay the rear portion of the roof up on the machine, and then we're going to grab our seal and we're going to apply it all the way across here. So we'll start, run it all the way across. Let's get it to here and tear it off. Then we're just going to take the front portion of the roof, lay it up on top of the rear portion, and bolt it together. So once we have the rear portion on with the seal, we're going to take the front portion, lay it up here. Then we're going to take our hardware. It's going to be the M6 Allens in the kit, and we're going to couple the two roofs together. So you'll have your sealing washer installed to the head of the screw. And then you're going to take another sealing washer, and we're going to install it with the seal portion facing up on the bottom side. So we'll just slide it in there. So there's going to be 4 remaining holes in your roof. You're going to be able to tell that they're circular, unlike the rest of the holes in the roof. What you're going to do is take your M8 hardware, install one of the M8 flat washers. You're going to take your grommet, and you're going to install it to the roof, like that. Then you're going to take another M8 flat washer, and then the rubber washer. So that's how it'll be oriented. Now obviously the grommet is going to be in the roof itself, so you're going to have to slide this washer in like that, and then your rubber washer, and then you can tighten your hardware down. Once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's heavy-duty aluminum roof on this Honda Talon 1000 X4. Be sure to check the description for a link to the website to pick your roof up today. Also, while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.